TMC stock analysis and TMC stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially looking at it right now. TMC, the metals company, $6.72 with a 23% increase in price is so sick. I'm definitely looking to take it further up like I talked before. And this is not always just a waiting sign, right? This is like me calling it out. I called it out before when it was 287. Mate, here's the literal proof, man. This is a month ago, 14th of May. Obviously look to take it up just beneath $3, and this is like the craziest call out supply. I mean, it's not the craziest. I have even crazier, and this is a decent plus 4R. Needless to say, I'm looking to double down this also pump like crazy, so I didn't manage to catch that, but if I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a confirmation, then you know I'm gonna take things further up, and if not, it's all good. So that's how TMC is looking like. If you do want to learn how making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my email. See you in the next one.